Mastering the phrase, I can hardly stand. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might come across in movies, books, or everyday conversations. I can hardly stand. Understanding such phrases is crucial for enhancing your English fluency and comprehension. Let's explore its meaning, usage, and some examples together. The phrase, I can hardly stand, is used to express a strong negative emotion or physical difficulty regarding something or someone. The word, hardly, here means with difficulty or barely. So, when someone says they can hardly stand something, they mean that they find it very difficult to tolerate or endure it. Physical discomfort. When related to physical discomfort, I can hardly stand might be used to express that someone is finding it difficult to physically stand up due to pain, weakness, or tiredness. For example, after running a marathon, one might say, I'm so exhausted, I can hardly stand. Emotional discomfort. In an emotional context, this phrase can signify strong dislike or intolerance. For example, I can hardly stand the way he treats his friends, implies a deep disapproval of someone's behavior. Understanding how to use I can hardly stand in sentences will help you communicate more effectively. Here are some examples. I can hardly stand the noise in this city. It's so loud all the time. After spraining my ankle, I could hardly stand on my foot. I can hardly stand spicy food. It's just too hot for me. Notice how the context changes the meaning slightly but maintains the core idea of difficulty or intolerance. To master this phrase, try using it in your own sentences. Think about situations where you have felt strong physical or emotional reactions and how you could express those feelings using I can hardly stand. Practice with friends, in writing, or during your speaking exercises. Congratulations on adding I can hardly stand to your English vocabulary. Understanding and using such phrases will make your English sound more natural and expressive. Remember, language learning is a journey filled with discovery and practice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more engaging content. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.